The Welsh Government, in consultation with the WLGA and Coleg Menai, has just agreed that all schools and colleges will move to online learning until January 18th.
Since this announcement has been made by the government, many young people across Wales and the UK are still learning online on websites like Google Classroom. In this video today, I'm going to show you what online learning looks like for a Level 3 Performing Arts student in Coleg Menai, Bangor. One of our tasks this term was researching and learning our monologues. We have been uploading our work to college websites and have been contacting our tutors via email but also face-to-face on Google Meets. This is not the same as learning in college, however it has been an effective way of communicating with each other and learning. As a class, we have to present our work to each other. Here are some students talking about their monologues.
In the drama, he is basically an up-and-coming star,
Yeah.
or like a musician that is tries to show all of Vienna that he's good for something.
Her objective is to explain to the audience what kind of place Denby is and how it's sort of perceived socially by people in the community.
He was actually abused when he was a child, and so Sheila Stevenson wanted to make it so it's based on a theory.
It's about a struggling actress who's taken into rehab after a breakdown mid-performance, and it follows her sort of struggles and the highs and lows of recovery.
As you've heard, some of this term's monologues are challenging, but this is a good thing because practicing at home keeps us occupied and motivated. We also have online singing lessons to practice our musical theatre.
You want to mute yourselves so that you can just hear your own voices as we go through.
The song we're rehearsing this term is from the Addams Family musical. I think online singing lessons is proving to be quite hard for a lot of us because we're not in the same room and we can't hear each other. However, hopefully soon we'll be back in college to add choreography to the piece and perform it better as a group.
Family fast and family last and family by and by.
Every Friday we have fitness and dance sessions to start rehearsing a piece for this term's show. Rehearsing in the studio is completely different to this, and learning choreography off a screen can be quite hard. At times it can be a challenge to focus and understand what movements we're supposed to be doing. I've questioned some of the performing arts students on why they chose the course and how they're finding online learning.
I've chosen performing arts as a course because it really helps my confidence and I really like performing. I've liked performing since I was little and now I feel like I've got more experience and can get more involved with acting companies such as Branwen. I've chosen the drama side of performing arts because I really like acting.
I chose performing arts because when I grew up as a kid I just watched TV shows and movies all day every day, and that made me want to be an actor. So then I went and chose drama in high school and then moved on to performing arts in college as I enjoyed it and I feel like that's what I want to do in my future.
The reason why I chose the performing arts course is because for years now I've known I've wanted to be an actor. I was originally going to go to sixth form in school, but then I decided college is probably the place where I'll get more opportunities, where I'll get to learn more about what I love doing and learn more about myself in the process. It's also been great getting to know people that share the same interests as me, and so far I'm really enjoying it, so that's why I chose the course.
I feel like the online lessons can be quite hard because you're not actually there in the lessons, and some people really struggle with like motivation. Personally, I've been on and off with that feeling, and I can find it easy sometimes because you do get more one-to-ones with these, especially we're working on monologues at the moment and it's really helpful with that.
I'm finding online learning quite difficult because when I'm in college it's easy to concentrate because the teachers are there to help you and there's nowhere you can go, so you don't really have a choice but to do the work. Whereas where you're at home there's distractions and it's over like a screen, so it's more difficult.
Obviously I've been the one that's been doing this video about online learning, and it's been great doing it and looking back at how we've done it and, you know, how we've sort of like progressed in a way. But at this point I just really want to go back to college. I think everybody's getting just a little bit fed up now of online learning. You know, our tutors are doing the best they can, but I think we're all in agreement that it's just not the same. So yeah, I really want to go back to college now, but you know, we have to work together and do whatever we need to do in order for that to happen. But that is my opinion on online learning at this point.